Bonjour, I am Rochelle Goyle, daughter of the gargoyles, and always safety monitor at Monster Eye. I see and hear everything, from election strategy conversations to whom is voting for whom. Who are you voting for, Claudine?
For my ghouls Cleo and Laguna, of course. 'Cause you know Cleo, she's gonna give the people what they want.
You sure are right about that.
Come on, let's go get some lunch, ghoul.
I also see these cute things like a romance.
Hey, Draculora, look what I gotcha.
Oh, Claude, for me, that is so sweet. Shall we go hang out in the creepateria? But I also see bad people doing the bad things. I see Cleo's poster needs a little mustache. I'm just the person to give it to her. Monica! Ah! Monica, that is not the nice thing to do. Go back to class. One moment, Monica. Donnez-moi the spray paint. Here you go. I don't know what they would do without me here. Unfortunately, I also see my friends doing the bad things. Oh, hi, Rochelle. Frankie, you know better than to chew the gum? Give me that. Sorry, Rochelle. I just came to get my water bottle. See you later. Yes, it is the hardest when it is your friends doing the bad things. Sorry, Toralei. Are you alright, mate? Toralei, are you okay? Let's get you back up.
I want you to give that sea monster detention.
You are right, Toralei. Laguna, please come here. Laguna, you know what I must do, n'est-ce pas? Sorry, mate. I know that was my bed. Laguna, you know I must confiscate this scooter from you, n'est-ce pas? Yeah, mate. No hard feelings, Toralei, alright? And now to Headmistress Bloodgood's office for the parking. But the absolute hardest is when you catch a boy you like doing the bad thing. So how do I look, Deucey? Am I giving the people what they want?
Yeah, babe, but this creepateria food is definitely not giving me what I want.
Oh, no, Deuce. That is not the trash can. That is the ballot box. Deucey, did you almost cost me the election? I would have never spoken to you again.
Dude, way to make a guy look cool in front of his ghoul.
You see, it is a thankless job, but someone has to do it.